hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creating Spaces with me, Violet. So in today's video, I'm just going to focus on the living room. As you can see, my living room is so messy. I'm feeling so embarrassed to show you this type of messy. Actually, this is the messiest living room that I have ever had. So this is actually after New Year. So after my kids, I gave them the gifts, and then they unboxed it, and you can see it's crowded. Like, I have no excuse about this, and I was feeling so overwhelmed. Like, I didn't know where to start from. So then I just said, let me do this. Nobody will going to do this for me. If I leave it, then it's going to continue piling, and the living room will have no space. And also what I did today is I later on, and after I did this one, I went out somewhere. Then when I came back, I have to continue. So when I came back, my plans changed. Then I decided to okay, today let me give my living room a new look. So I decided to switch the furnitures. So stay tuned, don't go away. Let's watch this video until the end to see each and every step that I'm going to take in cleaning my living room, and also to see how my living room is going to turn out, because I'm going to switch the furnitures from different positioning, and I just feel like giving the living room a new look for 2026. And I hope you enjoy today's video. And if you do enjoy this type of motivation, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much to my subscribers for always supporting me and for always being there for me. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome back to my channel, and I'm glad to have you back here. And for those of you who are seeing my channel for the first time, I welcome you all. And yeah, I hope you are enjoying my videos, and don't forget to support me as well by subscribing and liking. So without talking so much, let's continue the cleaning, and let's see how this living room is going to turn out. Stay tuned, don't go away. Let's watch this video until the end.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And so today I also decided to take down my Christmas tree and all the Christmas decoration in the living room. And in the next video I am going to take out my bedroom. I haven't done that yet because my schedule has been so busy these days. I didn't manage to do like the whole house cleaning and taking down of the Christmas decoration. So join me again in the next video when I take down the Christmas decoration in my bedroom. Thank you so much. So let's continue the cleaning.